Hi, everybody. It's Mrs. Edgett. I hope you are doing well. It's been a while since I've seen you guys and talked to some of you. So what I'm doing in this video is I'm going to show you what we're going to be working on this week. This week, the week of the 6th, is a review week. And then next week, starting on the 13th, everything will be mandatory and you must complete the assignments. So what I want you guys to do this week is just a couple things to get us all in order and ready to go next week. So this week is very simple. If you could get these assignments done for me, and then you can continue completing assignments in IXL and any other websites you've been using, that would be perfect. So what I want you guys to do this week, the first thing is study for vocab. We are going to be taking our vocabulary quiz next week. And you're going to be taking it on a Google form. So you can actually take it any day during the week next week. It does not have to be on Friday like we typically would do if we were in the building. But for this week, I want you guys to get studying. So we are picking up with the same words that we left off before we were sent home. So we're on vocabulary set 8.12. In this document, you guys will be posted on the Google Classroom stream. It will be emailed to you. So you can just simply click on these links and it will direct you to where you need to go. So we will have our study guide in here, our Quizlet, and then our quizzes. So same tools that we always use. So get studying on those this week. The second task I would like you to complete is number 2. I want you to try to log into all of these websites below. I want to make sure you guys can get into these before we start next week, because we will be going into these, here and there. So we have Get Epic, and this website has a lot of online books. They have a ton of graphic novels. I want you to be able to get into No Red Ink, Scope, and IXL. So I give you the links and I give you the class codes. Now for IXL, you guys were emailed these by your homeroom teachers a few weeks ago. So if you cannot find that email that has your login info and password, just shoot me an email or comment on this post on the stream and I will get it right to you. Because that login info for IXL is completely different than our normal logins. So just let me know if you need any of that information. And that goes for any of these. If you don't remember your login for some of these, just let me know. Typically in class, we would always log in with Google. So as long as you're signed in your Boyertown account and you press login with Google on these, you should be able to get right in. So for next week, the week of the 13th, you will be getting a Google Doc that looks very similar to this. It's going to be very organized with your assignments, but we're going to be continuing our novel Fever 1793 and Vocab. So my expectation is that you'll get started on those, but you'll hopefully this answered some questions that you might have. If you still have other questions, just, reach out to me. You can email me. You can post on Google Classroom. But so this is what I want us to work on this week. Okay, studying for our quiz and getting logged into those websites below. And last thing, if you are able to get into the websites or if you cannot get in any of the websites, if you could just shoot me an email letting me know. You could say, hi, Mrs. Edgett, I got into all the websites. Or you could say, hi, Mrs. Edgett, I got into all the websites, but I could not get into Get Epic. That way I kind of know where we all are and if any of you guys need any extra help. All right, well, I hope you have a great week, and I will talk to you soon.